It's easy to turn multiple logins for your red meat industry accounts into just one. Your single myMLA sign-on can take you straight into all your industry accounts. Here's how. First, get your login details for all your accounts ready. Now, create a myMLA account if you don't already have one. Just go to mymla.com.au and follow the instructions. Once that's done, log into myMLA and on the dashboard, click on the Linked Accounts tab and select Link More Accounts. Under each program logo, in turn, click the Link Account option. There's a different screen for each program, but the same process. Enter your login details, the user ID, account number or username for each one, and also your property identification code for LPA, then enter the right password for each account. Remember, it could be a different password for each one. Then click the button to finish. You'll land back at the Link Accounts page and the linked accounts will now show under each logo. To link more than one NLIS, LPA and MSA account, just repeat the process for each one. With all your accounts linked, you've cut all those logins down to one. How good is that? If you need help or can't remember your login details for LPA, NLIS, LDL or MSA, contact the help desk on 1800 683 111 or email info@integritysystems.com.au.